Hi, I'm Andrew Berman from the Mortgage News Network, coming to you from the M&N Studios here in New York. Today we're going to hear from Frank Coto III, who is the president of Lincoln Lending Group, and how he dominates Florida using non-agency loans. But first, a message from our sponsor.
Thanks, Andrew. I'm Tom Hutchins, Senior Vice President with Angel Oak Mortgage Solutions. We're excited to bring you today's show, Top Originator Strategies. If you want to grow, listen to what today's guest tells Andrew and see how you can incorporate that into your business. And stay tuned. After the show, I'm going to tell you why top originators across the country choose to do business with Angel Oak. Back to you, Andrew.
Hey, thanks, Tom. Hey, Frank, thank you so much for joining us. Listen, I want to get right into this. Can you tell us 3 marketing activities that you do on a weekly basis to generate alternative loans?
Absolutely. So the non-QM alternative loan market, it's all about the education. You have to teach the public and the realtor that it is out there. The number one ways that I used to do this, first of all, social media. If you're not using social media right now, I don't even think you're living on planet Earth, okay? So social media, number one, you've got to have it out there. But you have to take the social media to the next level, because even though you're telling them the product is there, social media just gives you the opportunity to say 1 or 2 things. You got to have a one-on-one meeting with your clients, or a one-on-one meeting with your agent partners in their office, which brings me to my third way I do it, is seminars and education. Even if it's not more than 5 or 10 people in the room, it's better than nothing. Get people in the room, go through scenarios and educate them, and then they will remember you and the product forever.
Fantastic. So listen, now, you do a lot of loans, but I wonder if you can give us maybe a few examples of specific cases where you've used these non-agency products for your borrowers.
Absolutely. So a couple of the best ones come to mind. For instance, we have this gentleman who started a multi-million-dollar business about 6 years ago, and he has been growing exponentially. You would think a guy like that would be your perfect conforming conventional guy, but as we all know, if you own a business, you want to grow, so you're going to reinvest in your business.
Yep.
So this gentleman was taking the money, and rightfully so, and he's reinvesting in more businesses, more offices. What was happening on the tax returns? He wasn't showing anything for income. Right. The guy made millions, but he literally, he was a thousandaire, not a millionaire, okay? So what did we use? We went to Angel Oak, and we used one of my favorite programs, the bank statement program. We were able to establish his income as a millionaire, not a thousandaire, by using 2 years of bank statements instead of 2 years of tax returns. We tossed the tax returns right out the window. Didn't matter what he wrote off. All that mattered was what he deposited in the bank. That's one really good one. Another one that I love would be the Foreign National Program. I don't know anybody who does it. There's so many people, especially in Florida. I'm a Florida specialty lender. I have people from everywhere, South America, England, Canada, Russia, Europe, you name it. We have people from everywhere wanting to buy here right in Florida, and they can't unless they're using private money, which is super expensive. So Angel Oak has a program for foreign nationals that you literally get to. It's pretty much a no-income program. You just have to validate a couple key points, and they have to have a good amount of money. That's key. But they get a real 30-year loan, a real amortized loan, not a private money loan that costs them tons and tons of points. So those are my 2 favorite examples, the bank statements and the foreign national. That's something that nobody else does.
Fantastic. So listen, if someone was considering to work with Angel Oak, I know you've worked with a ton of lenders and you do a ton of this alternative loan products, but what would you say to someone considering to work with Angel Oak?
Okay, so the most important thing about the non-QM, Stacy makes sure that I say non-QM. I'm an old school guy. I like to say subprime, but it's not subprime, guys. That's a bad word. The non-QM type of loan, there are a bunch of guys that have come back on the street, okay? Number one, it's a tough world, okay? There's a lot of moving parts in subprime, so you need to work with a company who's experienced and has the knowledge. Well, the people at Angel Oak, far cry from the next guy. I don't want to mention the other names. I don't want to get in trouble, but I promise you, you do one deal with a company like Angel Oak who is set up like a real conventional lender, real staff, real underwriters, people with industry knowledge. Your loan can actually close in 30 days. Where you go to these other, not subprime, sorry, non-QM lenders, they're not the same. I promise you, some of them are, the offices are smaller than my office. They probably have 5 or 6 people working 100 loans in there. They're telling you 45 to 60 days to close. Good luck getting a realtor to continue to bring you this non-QM business if it takes 60 days to close. So Angel Oak, they've got their game. They know what they're doing. They've got the experience, they've got the staff, and they've got the knowledge, and best of all, they have the products. I don't want to call them the pooper scoopers, but they will do everything and do it with a smile and get it closed on time.
Awesome. So listen, I know you do a ton of business in Florida. What's the best way to get a hold of you? If someone's in Florida, they're looking to get a loan from you, or they're looking to partner with you, how do they get a hold of you?
Great question. Okay, so the best way would be go to 813mortgage.com. 813 is the Tampa Bay area code. Bright, sunny Tampa right now. It's about 80 degrees. I know you guys are freezing up there. Don't worry, I'm going to get your second home for you as soon as we're done with this. But you're going to go to 813mortgage.com. You'll see my beautiful face on there. You'll complete your application. It's literally a 5-minute mobile app. Or if you want to dial me up locally, and now this number is tied to the office and my cell phone, it's 813mortgage. And our tagline, you're going to love this, is you drop the E, we'll drop your fee. Because at Lincoln Lending, we don't charge you any fees for processing, underwriting, origination. We are different than the next guy. I'm not going to get rich on your one loan. We're going to make it happen for you and your family over and over again. So it's 813mortgage.com or call 813mortgage. You drop the E, we'll drop your fee.
Awesome. Thank you so much for joining us, Frank. We really appreciate it.
No problem, guys. Thank you for having me.
Now, I'm Andrew Berman from the Mortgage News Network. Thank you for watching.
If you want to grow your business, get into alternative lending today and help more consumers become homeowners. Angel Oak Mortgage Solutions is the largest non-QM lender in the country. If you've done business with us, you know why. We brought back responsible, common sense lending designed to help those borrowers that others can't. Your success depends on how many homeowners you serve. So call us today and find out how you can grow your business with Angel Oak. Check us out online at angeloakms.com. That's angeloakms.com.
This is Mortgage News Network.